Hello and welcome. I will tell you how you can install Clubhouse. आप कैसे Clubhouse की एप्लीकेशन मोबाइल में इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. अभी रिलीज़ नहीं हुआ है लेकिन फिर भी you can install. This is the link of github.com. आप यहाँ जाएंगे, you will go there and click and open it. Then you go to their assets. आप इसके assets पे जाएंगे, यहाँ टैप करेंगे, यहाँ इसकी एप्लीकेशन को डाउनलोड कर लेंगे. Download this API file into your system. It maybe I have download from this. Okay, download. Okay, now go to your Google files. Now you can go to your Google file, downloads, and you can open it, or either you have installed before. You can install, click on install. It will be install, click on install. It will be downloaded at your system. Oh my gosh, this is downloaded. Now you need an invitation. Okay, you need an invitation. So I have an invitation from one of my friend, Carla. Okay, let me find it. Yes. Okay. Carla. Clubhouse. Okay, I have an invitation from Carla. Let me click over here. It will be open, but it is unregistered. Okay, now what you can do is, there is a warning. If you understood, so go to type your number, enter the code. एंटर कोड करेंगे और कोड आएगा. ओके, you get the official Clubhouse message verification. Okay, then here, ta-da, this is an unofficial. Okay, you can download here. There's a Panchuvani. Okay, and this will be my username. Registration complete, and ta-da! Finally find the friends. So what you can do is find your friend Ubello, follow, and okay, there's a link. Okay, following. Now it's refresh. Check your profiles. You need to set your photos, image, set your profile. Okay, there's something. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, this is a something good profile. Okay, add your bio, digital transformation. Let us save over there and okay, and find more people. How can you find more people? There are a number of groups. Let's me check. I have Ubalo. There is no live session there. This profile is too big. Okay. Let's find more people. That's so social media growth hack. Let's see. Allow yourself to for.
I've been receiving an insane amount of anti-Semitism as a proud Jewish woman. So please just don't bring people up to the stage, mods, because you just really don't want to deal with.
Yeah, if I get into that, I'm just leaving the room. I'm not interested in, like, if you're anti-Semitic, my answer to you is I just want to block you. You can block me, save me the effort. I have nothing. I have no interest. Like, I don't want to educate you. I don't want to. I just feel sad for you. In fact, I feel sorry for you that your brain is that small. But I will not engage in any kind of, if you're anti-black, if you're anti-gay rights, if you're anti-women rights, if you're anti-LGBT rights, if you're anti-anything, you could be anti. Because I'm a humanist. I'm united. I'm stronger together. If you look at my captions and my recent photos are we're stronger together. We have to fight for peace.
Coach and speaker Clubhouse.
Unique. We put it in such a broad category. It's a really unique skill set. And I'll just bring in Baju, who, I hope I pronounced that right, who said he did something so brilliant to one of the people that asked a question. Coaches give a hard reflection back in the mirror. They help you see yourself and can articulate hard truths, but they have to do it with grace and specificity. And so as you explore these avenues, you're in the right place to do that because you're surrounded by people who have done or have been one or more of those things. But I think it's important.
Entrepreneur talks.
Or twists that you would put in. I'd love to know.
Yeah, so on the subject of interviewing, yes, having entrepreneurs, people who have gone through and experienced the challenges to come up, and I guess just trying to make it make it seem less of a deal to take that leap. I guess what the twist would be is it's possible and it's worth it, and how to have an extraordinary life while being self-employed instead of working the corporate gamut.
So the problem I'm seeing is this sounds like the journey of every entrepreneur.
I think it's possible.
Yes, that's what I was going to say. We all have the same struggle. What's the way of setting it apart that makes it a value?
If I'm doing deer.
That's all right. Beiju. So Joshua, also we need to understand that coaching, training, speaking, consultancy, they're all vehicles. Nobody wants to buy the vehicle. What they want is the transformation in the end. And as Angela said, her main mode at this moment is speaking. So that's her mode. So people want a speaker, because that's the delivery they are looking to explore it in. But ultimately, they're all just vehicles, and no one buys the vehicle in the service context. What they really want is the transformation at the end. Now, depending on where they're at and their organisation and what kind of transformation they want, the vehicle might be specific. But I do all of those things. I now do not position myself as a speaker, coach, I'm a psychologist, and I have those different modes. I'm an author as well. So and also this.
Just like, if you, make an excuse कि नहीं आज नहीं, तो I just said that.
This is a Hindu group. This is a Hindu group.
Absolutely not. मतलब आफरीन जी ने बोल दिया, मैं ना कैसे बोल सकता हूँ?
Great. चलो तो फिर मैंने सुना है. Come on, so sing good song for us.
So I'll sing few lines.